Welcome friends on my YouTube channel. Today we will see a program to find maximum and minimum number from an array. So please subscribe my channel. So let's get started to check how to find the maximum number from the array. First of all, we have to declare header files, then the main, then int I, a variable I is for to provide input to the array, then maximum and then minimum, then size of the array is 10, 0 to 9. Okay, if you want to provide direct input here, suppose a 10, that is equal to, you have to provide 1 2 up to 10. The one way is this, to initialize this array by this value 1 to 10 value, then you have to skip this all input from here to here. Okay, you don't have any requirement to write these codes. Okay, if you not want to write this in this format, then you have to write to provide at runtime array input. Okay, up to less than 10 means 0 to 10. Okay, so you have to write razor so we have to provide input to the at the runtime error. So we have a statement to printf enter the element of the array, then for loop is here for to print to provide input from 0 to less than 10. Okay, means 0 to 9, it provide the input to the array. In the curly braces scanf we can read the array value. Okay, ampersand a of I, array value. So when we provide between 0 to 1, 0 to 9, so value is can be read by this statement. Then printf, the value we provided here, we can see what kind of value we provided in this. So we have to print the value of the array. So same loop for to print the value 0 to less than 10, and then 1 by 1 increment, then printf percentage d and a of I. Okay, then close curly bracket. So we provide here by this loop 0 to 9 value. Okay, and by this we can provide output to the display. Our array value is 0 to 9. Okay, then next, suppose we have a value a of 10 is equal to, we provide 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then we have to find maximum and minimum value. So first of all we have to assume our first value is maximum and first value is also minimum. Okay, both we have to assume initially. Our first value is our maximum value or our minimum value. Okay, then we have to provide a for loop again. We have to scan one by one. We have to move this cursor one by one here, then compare by this, then compare this, then compare this, one by one. So to trace all the value, we have to apply for loop which starting from 0 and less than 10 and one by one incremented by one value. Okay, so then we have to check if a of I is greater than maximum value. If a of I is greater than maximum value, means then max is equal to a of I Otherwise a of I is less than minimum, then put a of minimum is equal to a of I. Okay, suppose our a of I, a of 0 value is greater than maximum value, so maximum value is equal to a of 0. Okay, same as it is, and then we have to print the maximum value and the minimum value to by the printf state and then return. Okay, so by this we have to assume in the code blocks we can take this. So move on to code block to perform. We have to use code blocks. The code block create projects, console window, then next, then C, then we have to write array, no, so we have to write array name array max min, then finish. So we have to, we can copy the codes from here. You can copy the same code, copy and paste the paste. Okay, so we have to execute this. Here is the errors, we have to delete this space, and same error is there. One more error is there, third line is there. And then check. That we have to provide here. Sorry, first of all I have to increase the size of the program. Okay, so same program I type here, hash include, then this, you can see the same program is here, and before this rebuild and run again. So enter the array elements, we have to enter. So first 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so the array element is, by the first loop we provide, first for loop we provide, and scanf, by the scanf we can read this value. Okay, and by the second loop we can display the array element is this 0 1 2 3 up to 9. Okay, and out of this maximum value is 9 and minimum value is 0. Understand? So to find second maximum and second smallest, we have to write here, we have to close this, and we have to write here, to find second maximum, maximum minus 1 and minimum is equal to second minimum, minimum plus 1. That's it, we can find second maximum and second minimum. So we have to run again. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 0 to 9 is our array, we provided input to the array, our array is 0 to 9, and the second maximum is 8 and second minimum is 9. Understand? Second smallest is 0, second smallest is 1. Maximum is 9, second largest is 8. Understand? So I have to codes to all codes hash include stdio.h int main, then a for I loop int I maximum minimum and a array the value is 10, size of the array is 10. Printf enter the element, then by this for loop we provide input 0 to 9. Okay, and then to see what input we provided, apply again a for loop by this. Okay, this is the statement printed before this value, the array element are this. Then minimum and maximum, we suppose a of 0 value is the minimum and maximum. To compare all the value, we have to apply this loop. 1 by 1 0 to 9, we have to move 0 to 9 and check whether it is minimum or maximum value. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.